In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove objects in Luminar Neo. Whether you're cleaning up stray people in the background, removing power lines, or tidying up small distractions like trash or signs, the fastest and most common way to do it is with the Erase tool. Start by opening your photo in the Edit workspace. This is where you'll find all the tools you need. Look for the Erase tool, typically located under Essentials. Once you've selected it, you'll see a brush you can paint with. Think of this brush as your selector. You're telling Luminar exactly which area you want gone. Brush directly over the object you want to remove. For thin things like wires, use a small, precise brush and trace along the line. For bigger distractions, a slightly larger brush works. But try not to overpaint. You only need to cover the object itself, not the surrounding background. Zooming in can help you follow edges accurately, and a softer brush edge often blends better with the surrounding pixels. When your selection looks good, click Erase or Apply. Luminar will automatically analyze the scene and fill the covered area with nearby pixels. This is a content-aware fill, which means the software looks at colors, textures, and patterns around your selection to create a seamless result. Give it a moment to process, then zoom in and check the blend. If you notice small artifacts, smudges, or repeating textures, don't worry. Complex areas sometimes need more than one pass. Simply brush over the remaining imperfections and click Erase again. Working in a few light passes is often better than trying to remove everything in a single stroke. If it takes away more than you intended, use Undo and refine your brushwork. Keep in mind the natural limitations of any content-aware tool. It works best on simple backgrounds like sky, grass, plain walls, sand, or water where the texture is consistent. Crowds, intricate patterns, and highly detailed edges can be trickier and may leave subtle traces after the first attempt. In those cases, a couple of careful passes can improve the result. For very large or complex objects, consider exploring GenErase or AI-driven tools, or even layering approaches, which are better suited for heavy lifting. That's the cleanest, quickest workflow. Open the photo, choose Erase under Essentials, paint over the distraction, and apply. With a steady hand and a few thoughtful passes, you'll have a polished image free of unwanted objects in no time.